Hello, sir. Sir, I have chai to share with you. The best builders at ETHGlobal New Delhi are going to flow like endless chai.
Everyone, my name is Ali. I'm a DevRel lead at Flow Foundation. Just AI Chaiwala said, the rewards are flowing this season. Super excited to have you hacking with us. For those of you that do not know, Flow was built behind the team that created CryptoKitties, the first viral Web3 app in history. It was so viral that it throttled the entire Ethereum network. It caused gas prices to skyrocket, and it started a conversation across the industry about scalability in Web3. The team created Flow as a super scalable, exciting blockchain built by app developers for app developers that unlocks a lot of really cool value proposition for devs. Now, the two main prize pools that we're offering is one, the best killer app on Flow. Before I get into that, it's important to note that Flow is a chain with two virtual machines. There is EVM, meaning it is as easy to build on Flow as any other EVM chain. You just add the JSON RPC info, you write your code in Solidity, and you deploy. Easy peasy. We also have, for those that want to take a step further and play around with things that unlock magical experiences, Cadence. And Cadence is our native virtual machine. For the best killer app on Flow, you can work on either VM. What we're looking for here is consumer-oriented killer app potential applications. Think about how ChatGPT, neural networks were around, LLMs were around for decades and decades and decades. It really wasn't until ChatGPT made it accessible to everyday people through an interface that people were used to that it ended up getting wide-scale adoption. Anyone could use it, your mother, your brother, your friends, for a huge array of applications. It was very consumer-centric in nature, and it sparked a massive amount of innovation in the industry. We're looking at similar things in Web3. This is a very broad category. Most applications will probably fall under this. You could be creating an AI agent that helps with insurance claims. You could be building a game that will likely be massively adopted, similar to CryptoKitties. Or you could be making a avant-garde, consumer-friendly DeFi project that your grandmother can use and get amazing stablecoin yields. Your creativity is essentially the bound for this. Now, the second pool is the best automation and actions. Right now on testnet, we have something really exciting that is available. And this is essentially DeFi Actions and Automations. You could think of DeFi Actions as automated workflows. It's a new standard for workflows. And it's by the co-founder of Flow, who is the one who coined the term NFT and created the standard for digital collectibles in Web3. This is taking it a step further. You could think of them as universal adapters for these workflows where they're completely agnostic to the underlying protocols. If I want to do a common workflow or action in DeFi, what are some of them? Some of them might be staking. A common workflow might be swapping between two assets. Instead of customly integrating the ABI for Uniswap v3, Uniswap v4, whatever DEXs are in your ecosystem, all you have to do is call one line of code and you're able to call that workflow and action. And it's super easy to integrate between different apps. What value propositions that unlocks is it offers much faster development times for an app end-to-end, as well as it reduces the chances that your AI or LLMs are going to be suffering from hallucination because they're ingesting a lot less tokens. It's a lot more direct and streamlined how they can make a specific action occur. The second thing is automation, and we're super excited to announce with the latest Forte upgrade, scheduled callbacks. What this is essentially on-chain cron jobs or loops. You can schedule a specific action or sequence of code to execute recurringly n number of times every day at X time, so on and so forth. This is super exciting because you could do completely automated on-chain giveaways. Again, you're not relying on cloud functions off-chain or cron jobs off-chain or random scripts that are centralized and could be single sources of failure. This is fully on-chain game, and you want to procedurally generate a new planet with new biomes every single day using on-chain randomness. You can have it run once every single 24 hours and create it. You could create digital collectible projects similar to nouns that are fully automated on-chain, so on and so forth. It's really exciting stuff, especially when you mix the actions and the scheduled callbacks together. That's pretty much it. Hope to see you guys in person in ETHGlobal New Delhi. If you guys are going to be in town right before, we have some more awesome opportunities that I'd love to highlight. One of them is We're going to be working with HackQuest to do a builder Sabha or builder gathering. You all are invited there if you want to learn more about projects in the ecosystem. We'll have great food, swag, we'll do project showcases, and it's a great way to meet other builders. In addition to that, the morning of the hackathon, right before doors open from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., we'll be doing a breakfast near the venues. This is a great way, again, to find team members that you can hack together and learn more about our bounties, ask us questions, spitball ideas, and get direct feedback. One other thing that I really want to highlight, because it's super exciting, is we have a campaign called ReWTF currently going throughout the month of September, and it happens to overlap with ETHGlobal New Delhi. What this means is during the hackathon, if you end up in 2 minutes literally going to this YAML file at rewtf-registry and you add the GitHub repo for your project, you could potentially win additional points and rewards. If you want to work on your project after the hackathon is over, you'll also continue getting rewards. You could view a leaderboard, and you could even get points that are redeemable for things AirPods or Xboxes or Air Jordans. Lots of really cool prizes. Again, thank you guys so much. I'm Ali and super excited to see you in Delhi.
$10K in bounties to build workflows, actions, and killer apps. That's alpha sweeter than jalebi.